In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide share screen tools on Zoom. If you ever feel like the Zoom toolbar is getting in the way while you're presenting, this quick method will give you a clean, distraction-free screen. It's especially handy when you're demoing software, reviewing designs, or playing a video, and you want nothing covering your content. First, make sure you're in your Zoom meeting and ready to present. Start sharing by clicking Share Screen on the Zoom toolbar. Choose the window, application, or entire desktop you want to show, and then click Share. Once you begin sharing, you'll see the floating meeting controls bar appear, usually at the top of your screen. This is the bar with options like mute, stop video, participants, and so on. Next, look to the right end of that floating bar for the More option. It's the three-dot menu labeled More. Click it to open a small drop-down. This menu contains extra options that don't fit on the main toolbar, and it's where Zoom keeps the setting we need for a clean view. From that drop-down, click Hide Floating Meeting Controls. As soon as you select it, the toolbar disappears from your view, leaving your shared content fully visible without an overlay. This doesn't change anything for your audience. They already couldn't see your toolbar, but it frees up valuable screen space for you and prevents the bar from covering buttons or menus in the app you're demonstrating. While the controls are hidden, your screen share continues normally. Your microphone, camera, and share status stay exactly as they were. You just don't see the toolbar. This is great when you want to focus on navigation without accidentally hovering over the controls or clicking the wrong button. When you're ready to bring the controls back, simply press the ESC key on your keyboard. The floating meeting controls will instantly reappear, so you can pause or stop sharing, manage participants, open chat, or access other tools. If you want to hide the bar again later in the same session, repeat the same quick path. Click More on the floating bar and choose Hide Floating Meeting Controls. A few tips before we wrap up. Practice this toggle once before a live presentation so you know exactly where the More button sits on your screen. Consider telling a co-host or moderator that you'll be hiding the toolbar, just so they know you might not react to chat immediately. And remember, hiding the controls is purely for your own view. It doesn't affect what attendees see beyond giving you a cleaner workspace. That's it. Simple, fast, and effective. Try it in your next meeting for a smoother, more polished screen share.